In Shillong, the 18th of September 2023 had been celebrated as the 136th Unitarian Day, an auspicious spiritual occasion that has its roots in the Khasi Hills. A special service was held wherein a congregation of the Unitarian faith had gathered at the Unitarian Church Madan Laban in Shillong. The chief guest on the occasion was Cabinet Minister Kermen Shila, while the MLA of South Shillong constituency, Sanbor Shulai, attended the service as guest of honor. The event witnessed the presence of heads of various religious denominations of Shillong, special guests, religious leaders of the Unitarian Church that included Reverend Derek P. Pariat and others. Songs, prayers and sermons formed part of the service.
Long kejingnya juni hakiyang di beber. Kalau tik kum imei mesejah ini haying. Ya kejimbang kecu jimbang kelak mende hakiyang di beber. Lai perkre dari imei juni. Tekar kum perkre kelak mende nang kowe kiying syakwe. Handai hak tak kejim perkre juni kebetulan kam kedai bakumu imei juni iaya tak jimbang mentah juni kum. Lada imej jungi isu pukre ejibam iai kado lani ke ejibam ki babiang hadu kata nabanta jungi isu pu ang to shimame kilet kha hi lade long rootly kata kajing ai da kajibam nangi skem kamlong ka usel tana lani inumhun ku sem bam ni tajimam ho ini bang taman kram naman ni hafsa hajing bani me much pretty respect and inumhun ku sem lada imej jungi iai tam na ikutub mung drivers lani tang ija but undon jata air handai dalai ai dak jingi wan kun simply jibam dak jingi ngangi scam kata kati pun di konsen kabalang ro kalong thik kunta jing sel jona lada kanu balang bangi ni de bang sel sarong ha jing don jungi kanu balang hale pudon ka ro bangi na puro mi kiwe dengan ibu taksi hak Unitarian Nism kedon kita kejinge bagi jingi burom iwe waktu juru ngangi skem ba ke kekui ke ayengi kita ki sumbo nani kejingi kai pot juri ke balam kalau kita kejing bang ke ba penun ke sen jona jumbi ki bawan pada setiap kejingan khatam naki pastor ki jumbi